salt, sugar,
two sticks of butter at room temperature, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, and jam. You could choose any flavor you want.
thumbprint cookies.
Beat butter and sugar together in a large mixing bowl and combine until creamy. This will take about 1 minute.
Egg yolks, vanilla, and salt. Here's the spot to grab from the side.
As mixture is mixing, add the butter slowly into the mixing bowl. If the batter is not mixed that well, you can mix with your hands. Do not overmix your dough. Well, when your dough is ready, make balls the same size. If you don't make them the same size, the ones that are smaller will overbake, and the ones that are biggest will usually be unbaked. When your balls are shaped, you can make shapes inside the balls.
You can make hearts, you can make circles, any kind that you can make. Put your cookies into the refrigerator until they're cold.
1 hour. Once the cookies are cold, you can put jam inside them. The peppers have to be full but not overflowing. Great. But once your cookies are out of the oven, transfer them to a cooling rack. We got 33 cookies. It's time to try it.
The best way to serve with it is hot chocolate. Of course, my mom's chocolate.